Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Oppo A78 5G, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. So, to find the first theme in my humble top, you need to open the Play Store, then find here Niagara Launcher, and click Install. Wait a while and click Open. Click Agree and Continue. Choose your favorite apps and click OK. So great. So why I really like this launcher? Because here we have no any name features. Here we have only favorite apps, and if you want to find any application from the main menu, so just tap your finger on the alphabetical line and drag your finger to desired letter. For example, if you want to find the Facebook, just drag your finger to F. Here you will see Facebook. If you want to find, I don't know, YouTube, so just drag your finger to Y button, and here you will see the YouTube. If you want to find the Play Store, so in the same way, drag your finger to the P button. On the second place in my tab is really great theme, Smart Launcher 6. Open it, click Install, and install it. Then click Open, get started. I agree, confirm, continue. While using the app, hello. You can choose suggested wallpapers. Go back to the home screen, and great. As you can see here, we have really beautiful launcher with really beautiful design. Here we can use our normal main menu, but with really handy apps grouping feature. So as you can see here, I have groups, contacts, internet, games, media, utilities, and settings. And all my apps are automatically. Are you trying to sign in? Maybe. Stopped. Okay. So, great. As you can see here, we have really beautiful interface with really beautiful icons, with really beautiful fonts, and all we have here is really beautiful. Here we have really great wallpapers gallery, wallpaper store. All of these wallpapers are free, but for live wallpapers you need to pay, unfortunately. But really great wallpapers you can use, as you can see, with 3D perspective. You need to pay for it, but we can use it without 3D perspective effect, and wallpapers will be really great. But on the first place in my humble tab is Microsoft Launcher. So just find it, Microsoft Launcher. Just find it and install. And click Open. Get started. While using the app, hello, continue. You can sign into the Microsoft account, and this way you will be able to use your Microsoft device, for example, Windows laptop, in pair with your Android smartphone. But I'll skip it now. It's really great feature, but now I'm just showing you appearance. So great. Here, as you can see, we have Glance Panel. In Glance Panel, we can set up our favorite widgets. As you can see here, we can set up all widgets we need. To do it, just scroll down, choose Edit this view, remove Microsoft widgets if you don't like to use Microsoft widgets and, for example, use Google widgets. You can you can change the size of the widgets, and as you can see here, we can use really big sizes of the widgets because here we have no the limit, because it's not a home screen, it's just a glance panel. And why I really love this launcher, because here on the left side of our home screens we can set up our favorite widgets. Here we have a news, MSN news of course. On the main menu we can set up hidden apps, so we can hide unused and trash apps. We can remove, for example, Amazon, we can remove it, App Market, launcher settings, we need it just once, and other apps you need to have, but you don't need to use, for example, microservices or others. So great. And of course, open the launcher settings. I'll show you really great feature. Here you will see gestures, and in gestures you can set up, for example, opening. Okay, continue to sign in, for example, stopped. Okay, so you can open any application using the gesture, and if you will try to use it, so you will like it. I hope you will like it. For example, as you can see, by swiping up 2 fingers, I can open any application. So great. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.